Hey folks, I wanted to remind you that the team here at Utopia are here to try and help you in any way we can. As a local community and we all move to remote working, we're on hand to help with any technical questions you have, as well as wanting to support parents who are now faced with getting their kids logged onto online resources like Microsoft Teams and Glow. We've been providing these services to customers where we can at zero cost. Even if you're not an existing customer or client, please don't hesitate to get in touch, as we know some IT providers have already had no option but to close their doors. We will be here to support you as long as we can do it safely. This is a fast-moving scenario. We're thinking on our feet and changing our services to suit the needs of our community. And with that in mind, we've introduced two key services. The first is a new non-touch service where we can come to your home, collect and return your computer, laptop, tablet or phone without actually coming into your home, ensuring those that are in self-isolation can still stay online and connected with work and family. Throughout this process, we've added lots of sanitising steps to make sure the team and you stay healthy. The second is an ad hoc remote support system which allows us to fix problems on your computer remotely. These simple problems can sometimes be fixed very easily and at almost no cost. A good example of this is the growing request for internet security. We can remote in, install internet security, and all we're charging is the cost of the subscription. Finally, I wanted to thank local businesses and community for pulling together at this time of need. It's wonderful to see us all working the way we are. Thank you to every single one of you. We really are all in this together.